welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix game runtime error and when you are try to open your favorite game or you just a open your new installed game, you get this error. Xgame runtime DLL error code 126. So this goes usually because of the xgame runtime or the Xbox or gaming service on your Windows is error. You can try to uninstall and reinstall gaming service. You can press Windows X and select terminal admin, or you can try to use Windows PowerShell. And here that's how to connect.com. You can try to copy this command line. There is a three command line that you can hit enter after each. You can copy, and here you can try to paste and enter for each command line. So this is in order to uninstall and reinstall gaming service. And also you can update apps from the Microsoft Store. Next, you can repair and reset gaming service. You can try to search an box type gaming service. If you don't have a gaming service, there is no gaming service when you search. It means you have to install the gaming service via App Stores or Microsoft Store, sorry. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click this button below. See you in the next video.